What is pigweed in Shona? Pigweed is an edible plant whose leaves are eaten as a vegetable in many parts of the world. It is incredibly nutritious and is high in vitamins A and C and folate, as well as calcium. It can help to alleviate fever, headaches, nausea, stomachache, and other digestive disorders. You might have heard of callaloo in Jamaican cuisine. Well, callaloo is the same as pigweed. But can you find it in Zimbabwe? The answer is yes, you can. You're in luck because pigweed in Zimbabwe is known as mowa. Mowa. Pigweed, mowa. It grows freely in the wild, so always make sure you pick it with someone who is knowledgeable and who knows how to prepare it accordingly. Do you want to learn about the many varied wild vegetables as well as domestic vegetables that you find in Zimbabwe? Then you should check out our video, 70 Vegetables That You Can Find in Zimbabwe, which is on Sarura Kids' YouTube channel today.